There's deer. To your left right there.
Three of them. I saw three.
I still see one.
There's two more behind it.
And those two are going up. You see them? I can still see them. Yeah, right there.
One's coming right up that bridge.
Oh, it is. How cute. These trees are right in my... It's on the bridge, isn't it?
I think so.
It's not scared of the horses. It's waiting on us to decide where we're going. It's just standing right there beside the bridge.
Yep. I don't see the other two, but I see the one by the bridge.
All right. That was pretty cool. I still see them. That's so cool. They're following the creek bed. Yep. Oh, stop and look. Oh, they're going up. Pretend like we cross this all the time and just keep going. She said no. She said, I remember that bridge. You're okay. We can go around it. Come. Now remember, there's a hole. We don't want to step in the hole. Go. Good girl. Deer tracks. Good girl. I'm still going to give you a treat for doing that.